Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're anything like me, you've probably spent hours scouring the internet for ways to generate a reliable online income. And if you've tried your hand at things like selling products, setting up funnels, or running ads, you know how exhausting and complicated it can get. That's exactly why today I'm excited to share my thoughts on virtual commissions, a program that promises to simplify everything with a white-label arbitrage system. Let's dive in. I remember when I first came across virtual commissions. The idea of generating steady profits without creating products or dealing with complex marketing instantly caught my attention. It sounded like one of those too-good-to-be-true promises we've all seen before. But what really intrigued me was how this system is designed for busy people who don't have the time or the patience for complicated setups. So I decided to take a closer look, and here's what I found. The program is built around a concept called white-label arbitrage. If you're unfamiliar, arbitrage is essentially buying low and selling high, but this system takes it a step further. Instead of managing every aspect yourself, you position yourself strategically in premium transactions and let others handle the heavy lifting. Neil Napier, the creator of this program, has condensed over a decade of experience into a step-by-step formula that feels approachable even if you're completely new to this space. One thing I appreciated right off the bat is how accessible the training is. It's not one of those long, pre-recorded courses where you're left to figure everything out on your own. Instead, it's a live 5-day masterclass. Each day focuses on a critical component of the system, starting with foundational concepts like understanding high-ticket opportunities and setting up automated income. From there, it dives into the specifics of the arbitrage formula, automation techniques, and advanced strategies. What's great is that it's designed to help you see results quickly without hours glued to your screen or endless tech headaches. Now, I know what you're thinking. Live training can feel a bit intimidating, especially if you're worried about falling behind. But Neil's team has thought of everything. You get 24-hour replay access to each session, so you can revisit anything you might have missed. Plus, there's a private Facebook community where you can connect with fellow participants, get feedback, and ask questions. It really feels like they want you to succeed. And that's not something you see often in programs like this. One standout feature for me is how the system is geared toward high margins. The goal here isn't just to make a little extra cash, it's to build something sustainable that delivers 70% or more in profit margins. There are real stories from students who've started from scratch and quickly scaled to $500, $1,200, or even $10,000 a month. Some have even hit $50,000 from just a few projects. And the best part? They're not creating products, building funnels, or running ads. It's all about leveraging the system efficiently. Speaking of efficiency, the program is structured in a way that doesn't overwhelm you with unnecessary details. It's streamlined and focused on what works, so you're not wasting time on outdated strategies or endless client chasing. If you've ever felt like you're drowning in tech or marketing jargon, you'll appreciate how simple this approach is. The price point is another major plus. The full value of the training and bonuses is over $2,000, but Neil is offering it for just $37. That's less than what most of us spend on a night out. For what you're getting, live training, bonus resources, and a system that's already proven to work, it feels like a no-brainer. And they've even included a satisfaction guarantee, so you're covered if it's not the right fit for you. So, is virtual commissions worth it? In my opinion, yes. It's rare to find a program that combines simplicity, accessibility, and real-world results the way this one does. If you've been stuck spinning your wheels with other methods or just looking for a way to build income without all the stress, this could be the opportunity you've been waiting for. Thanks for sticking around, guys. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews like this. Drop a comment below. If you've tried virtual commissions or have any questions, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, take care and happy hustling.